Michael, stay with us if you would. We want to go back to Marcia Kramer, who's in the newsroom, for a further update. Marcia?
Well, we have a number of updates. Number one, CNN is now reporting that there was a third explosion at the World Trade Center, probably an explosion from the ground that caused World Trade Center 1 to collapse on top of itself. Again, there was a third explosion. It's unclear what caused it, whether it was a bomb or whether the first plane that crashed into the tower had somehow been booby-trapped with a bomb that was timed to explode later after the crash had occurred. But CNN is reporting that there was a third explosion that caused World Trade Center 1 to collapse within itself and then collapse on other surrounding buildings.
What happened?
We was in the explosion. We was in the lobby and the third explosion, the whole lobby collapsed on us.
What was it like? What was it like?
Horrible.
It's like hell. You don't want to know.
The whole building just collapsed on us inside the lobby.
Was that a secondary explosion?
Yes, it was.
That was the planet probably?
Yeah, definitely secondary explosion. Because we was inside waiting to go upstairs, and on the way upstairs, the whole fucking plane blew. And we just collapsed on everybody inside the lobby.
Similar to the first tower coming down, secondary?
I don't know about the first one, but I know the second was terrible. Then there was a third one too after that one.
Third explosion after that?
That's right. Everybody was inside the building, waiting to go upstairs. And they just let loose. Everything just let loose inside the building.
So what you told me is that there was a plane or whatever hit the building, then a secondary explosion.
It was like 3 explosions after that. We came in after the fire. We came when the fire was going on already. We was in the staging area inside the building, waiting to go upstairs. And they exploded. The whole lobby collapsed on the lobby inside.
And it's just mayhem after that?
Just man, everybody tried to make their way out.
Just trying to help all the brothers get out.
A lot of people trapped inside and everything.
People don't understand. There may be more. Any one of these fucking buildings can blow up. This ain't done yet.
Da vi var, jeg tror 100 meter derfra, så kommer der en kæmpe eksplosion. Altså virkelig en kæmpe eksplosion, og der er pludselig røg et helt andet sted, end der, hvor der var røg før.
Rygter nu om en tredje eksplosion i området. Det er så uvist, om det er inde i centret.
Flere eksplosioner i de 2 tårne i World Trade Center i New York.
Big explosion happened. Some guy came out. His skin was all off. I helped him out. This is him all over.
Og så er der den her enorme røgudvikling, også nedefra, som tyder på den tredje eksplosion. Det er New York dækket af røg fra 3 brænde.
Nu har vi billeder af...
Det er så sandsynligvis den tredje eksplosion, vi lige hørte om nu. Vi kan jo se, at den ikke er foregået oppe i centret. Tilsyneladende er det foregået
i gadehøjde.
Ja.
Vi ved jo også allerede, at den tredje eksplosion, vi så billeder af tidligere, rent faktisk skete i gadeplan.
That's the third. Down it went. The building just fell.